What are the sections of the GED? The first section is reading. This section has about 40 questions to be answered. All the questions are multiple choice. The essays given in this section include both fiction and nonfiction. About 65 minutes will be provided to complete this section. The passages given are about 200 to 400 words each. The questions are not based on prior knowledge, but on your understanding of the material given to you. The second section is the writing. The writing section is divided into two parts. Part 1 consists of 50 multiple choice questions. Part 2 consists of essay-type questions. Both scores added together will give the writing section score. Part 1 of the writing section. Multiple choice questions are allotted 75 minutes. The first 30% of the questions are based on sentences. The next 30% is used up to mend errors in the given sentences and phrases. The following 25% is allotted to correct mechanical errors like capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. The final 15% of the questions are based on paragraph organization. Part 2 of the writing section. An essay of general topic will be asked. The student must write the topic in 200 to 250 words and also present their opinions and views about the asked topic. Paper will be provided to use for notes. The final essay will be written only on a 2-page answer book. The scoring for the writing section is as follows: 4, effective; 3, adequate; 2, marginal; and 1, ineffective. The next section is the social studies section. The questions asked in this section are both globally and nationally based. There are 50 multiple choice questions that will be covered. There are varied sources from which these questions are taken. To answer questions from this section, the student must have the ability to comprehend, work out, evaluate, and assess the information given. The next section is mathematics. The mathematics section tests the student's understanding and lasts for about 90 minutes. This section is also divided into two parts. The student can use a scientific calculator for the first part, and for the second part, a calculator may not be used. We encourage our students to answer all questions as best they can, because it will help them get a higher score. In case any one part is not done well, then the student has to re-attend the math section again. Both multiple choice questions and alternate format questions will be asked. The 4 major areas are tested in this section. 1, numbers, number sense, and operations. 2, measurement and geometry. 3, data, statistics, and probability. And 4, algebra, functions, and patterns. The next section is science. This section has 50 questions. 80 minutes are provided to complete 50 multiple choice questions. Half of the questions asked are based on basic understanding, and the other half are based on everyday life science, such as recycling, heredity, prevention of disease, pollution, climate, etc. The divisions of the areas in science is as follows: 1, life science; 2, earth and space science; 3, physical science, including physics and chemistry. Information in this section may be in the form of a paragraph, chart, table, graph, map, or figure to answer the questions asked.